In this video, we are going to talk about Liberty LC foamers. Unlike standard Liberty foamers, which use pre-diluted chemical product, Liberty LC foamers use chemical concentrate. How does it work? An air-driven flow-jet pump will pump water from the tank into the foamer body, which then draws in and automatically mixes the chemical concentrate. Compressed air is also added to produce a rich, clinging foam. The use of chemical concentrate has several advantages. Only water touches the tank for less cleaning and no pre-mixing. Only water goes through the pump. You can't get better chemical compatibility. The foamer body not only mixes everything just right, it also acts as a restrictor so the pump does not have to work as hard, which means the pump will have a longer life. The foamer body is a machined part made to last. The portable model features a heavy-duty stainless steel cart along with heavy-duty, non-marking solid rubber tires. With our Liberty LC foamers, you are free to enjoy good quality foam with less effort and maintenance required. Special wall mount versions also exist for when water pressure is very low or fluctuating. For more information, see our video about PRV foamers.